Good evening. My name is Michael Wiest. I will be your student sophomore physical education teacher for the semester. We're going to go ahead and get started with our remote open house. Just to get to know me a little bit, this is my second year teaching at LT, my 6th year of teaching in total. I couldn't be happier to be here at LT. I love it here. I teach both sophomore PE and driver's education, so some of your students may have me for driver's ed as well. I coach boys and girls soccer here at LT. Just a little overview with sophomore PE. So we do a wide variety of different activities. We do some that include cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and muscular endurance, as well as flexibility. Many of these lessons include social and emotional learning and forms of mindfulness. I know for my course, what I'm going to do every Monday is we're going to have a Mindful Monday where we work on some mindfulness and get ourselves prepared for the week. For this course, we have 3 different units. We have tennis, swimming safety, and badminton. And for this course, we will have different assessments, 3-unit assessments. We'll have Canvas quizzes. We will be creating a fitness profile, which I will show you here in a second, as well as we will have a live workout Zoom session. This is just a quick, brief look at the fitness profile. Each student will fill out one of these profiles, and we will continue to fill it out throughout the semester. We're going to create our fitness goal, and we're going to try and find ways that we can achieve this goal. As we do go throughout the semester, we will have different things where they are including some different workouts that they have done. We'll talk about different dietary things, and we'll get into depth with this fitness profile, but I think it's going to be a great resource for these students just to start to track their fitness as they are at home. Here's just another kind of look at this fitness profile, just an example of as they do a workout, if it's an outdoor run or if they go for a bike ride, they would be able to put a screenshot of what they've done onto this fitness profile and just do a brief description of what they did. We will use a lot of different apps on their phones throughout this semester just to track our workouts. So this is something that your students may ask you if they can download a specific app, and a lot of them we will utilize. We've already started to utilize some of them to figure out our heart rate, and they will start to use Map My Run more throughout the semester as well. But I really think this fitness profile is going to be a great thing for these students. As far as grading, our grading is a 50 to 100 grading scale. We have 4 different objectives that make up their total grade. 20% of that is skill and technique knowledge and assessment. For objective 2, 20% of that is written assessments covering rules, gameplay, and strategies. Our objective 3 is 50% of their grade, which is physical movement engagement. This is through observation, heart rate monitors, assessment, self-reflection on their engagement. And then our objective 4, which is 10% of their grade, is observation, self-reflections on sportsmanship and cooperative interactions. I know this remote learning experience is a little bit different than being in the classroom. We're going to make the most of it, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited to have every single student in my class. It's gone well so far to start out the semester, and I look forward to a great year. One thing that we want is we always want to provide our students with an atmosphere that allows them to feel included, supported, and valued, but also at the same time, we want them to feel challenged. So we're going to create new ways to kind of reach these students on physical and mental capacities. I do think that they will have a great semester, and I really hope that throughout this semester they can find new ways to be physically active that they may not have experienced prior. If you do have any questions at any point, please do not hesitate to ask. My email is here at the bottom, mwiest@lths.net. My office hours are from 7:45 to 8:45, Monday to Friday in the morning. Please feel free to reach out to me at any point, though. I'll try and respond to you as soon as possible. If you do need to contact me via phone, we can talk on the phone or even through Zoom. So please do not hesitate to let me know any questions or concerns. I look forward to a great semester. Thank you guys for your time.